Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add friends in Satisfactory 1.0. For that you need to follow some steps. First, launch the game. Open Satisfactory and navigate to the main menu. Second, access the friend list. Click on the multiplayer or friend option. The name might vary depending on your platform. This will bring up your friends list. The third step is add friends. In Steam users, you are playing on Steam. If you are playing on Steam, you can directly add friends from your Steam friends list. Click on the invite friends button. This will open your Steam overlay where you can invite your Steam friends to join your game. In Epic Game Store users, if you are playing through the Epic Game Store, click on invite friends button. This will open your game friends list. Select the friend you want to invite and they will receive an invitation to join your game. The fourth step is accepting invitations. If you are on receiving an invite, simply accept the invitation that pop up in the game or through the Steam/Epic overlay. Step 5. Start playing together. Once your friend accepts the invite, they will join your game. You can now work together to build and optimize your factory. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.